Firstborn. I'm about to try something different.
Hey DJ, won't you play my favorite song? Me and her wanna dance all night.
We wanna dance.
So won't you play it for me? Turn the lights down low.
Dim the lights down low.
Hey DJ, won't you play my favorite song? Me and her wanna dance all night long. So won't you play it for me? Turn the lights down low.
Dim the lights down low.
Dance all night long, so won't you play it for me? Turn the lights down low.
Dim the lights down low.
DJ, won't you play my favorite song? Me and her wanna dance all night long, so won't you play it for me? Turn the lights down low. DJ, won't you play my favorite song? Me and her dance all night long, so won't you play it for me? Turn the lights down low. Hey DJ, won't you play my favorite song? Me and her wanna dance all night long, so won't you play it for me? Turn the lights down low.
Dim the lights down low.
Go to the neck, go to the head. Shoulder, go to the arm, go to the hand. Put it all together, it's the man. Foot, go to the ankle, go to the leg. Chest, go to the neck, go to the head. Shoulder, go to the arm, go to the hand. Put it all together, it's the man. Foot, go to the ankle, go to the leg. Chest, go to the neck, go to the head. Shoulder, go to the arm, go to the hand. Put it all together, it's the man.
Everybody got a story, mine is a
testimony about God's glory and how the devil can't hold me. Life putting weight on me, I get heavy in word. Street sin like it's absurd, I'm staying preserved. Watch me, stay on your nerves, you playing the bird. Trying to fly away from the street, it's like you don't want us. You them Broadway runners, I'd rather stay narrow, ducking arrows, keeping my eye on the sparrow. Amazing how young people can keep phasing. In and out of grace is dangerous, learn the pages. My God is contagious, infected with a form of greatness. They got me dying, but I'm living through the changes. Mission is to open eyes, show you that his arms open wide and help you float through the tide. Avoid your demise and make peace with the skies. Recognize the right side of the God most high. Holla. Foot go to the ankle, ankle go to the leg. Chest go to the neck, neck go to the head. Shoulder go to the arm, arm go to the hand. Put it all together, it's the man. Foot go to the ankle, ankle go to the leg. Chest go to the neck, neck go to the head. Victory go to the arm, arm go to the hand. Volume 1. Put it all together, it's the man. Yeah. Holla at your boy. It's about to get real sickening. KJ, holla at your boy. J Life, holla at your boy. We get down. It's over, man.
Hello, it's crackin' world. This is Glenn from the mighty LA Symphony. Just saying, yo, right about now, you're checking out the best of the submissions. And I gotta tell you, man, I gotta admit, I'm so mad at myself because I forgot my car keys and I didn't submit it. I'm feeling bad now, but there's plenty of bangers on this. So check it out.
Alright. Nod your head to this. Go ahead and nod your head to this. Ha! Straight from Beantown, Celtic land, land of the Patriots. I bring you my man, Bobby Bishop. Ha!
I don't want to
Bringing you one hit wonder.
pull punches anymore. I just want to flow and keep them coming back for more. I don't want to
Okay,
hurt feelings with the song.
I know.
Just want to
okay, Bobby. Be easy on him.
Yo, am I rewriting my book just to hook your attention? Open your eyes, the prize is not humans. Attributes are ours for developing, but some embellish on the surface, turn to God when they ruin it. What's the deal? Speaking of deals, mine's a long time coming. I'm a cross-country runner and I'm tracking the map. I'm buying for my nice slice of the pie. My wife's grinding days in exchange for me to earn daps. Give me the reason we ain't seen him yet. Knock on the door. Deserve my stripes like I'm knocking off convenience stores. Embrace integrity, stature, and poise, but I'm drowning in this oversaturation of white boys. In this industry, predictably I fit in the mold. The perfect candidate for moldy demo pals in your corner. All the while, fickle rip-offs are on the steel. Why am I nickel and diamond and Chingy got a deal?
I don't want to
I don't know.
pull punches anymore.
Okay.
I just want to flow and keep them coming back for more. I don't want to hurt feelings with the song. I just want to grow.
What?
Give him one hit and then
Yo, I awoke in the unemployment office lobby. Right next to right said Federico Suave. They said, Bobby, this is poverty with a frown. We're sorry, CNC Music Factory shut down. One hit wonders in a line out the door to the street. Who's talking smack in the back? But Brian Austin Green. He's salted, he got tossed off of the scene. And he's tired, he's homeless, bro, his zip code expired. Yo, there goes Snow over there by the door. Informing he's still doping in Jamaica, he's famous. Paperboy said, Snow, you're from Canada, ain't you? Frustrated, he can't get a gig delivering papers. Cause groupies, they don't do the ditty with the has-been. Skilo wishing he was tall enough to slap him. Whoop, there goes tag team back again. They lost their job catching stray dogs with the Baja Men. Young MCs kicking G's, busting moves in the place. He's been striking out all day with Ace of Base. They saw the sign outside, came in to see what was up. Chris Cross's number got called and made him wanna jump. Rex in effect said, Zimmer zoom your butts back down. Lord Tariq and Peter Guns just traveled from uptown. There goes Emon and Jaquan in the SUV. See you in a couple of weeks, we'll save you a seat.
pull punches anymore. I just want to
You
flow
let him know it.
and keep them coming back for more. I don't want to
Okay, Bobby.
hurt feelings with the song. I just want to
What's
grow.
that? What's that?
Give him one hit and then
Yo, my hometown's the bean. I've been throwing up threes, step repping to the fullest, building up in the scene. Making more than the mark, I'm steady denting this thing. Embarking and I'm trying to be, and it's finally happening. Yo, the dues paying process, it doesn't come swiftly. Got a radio cameo, cause Manchild was with me. He's from Atlanta, I live right up the street. You saw me rock a hard set at the club last week. Yo, good looking out, I'll take it to heart. I'm gonna finish what I started and the gods sorted out. Cause it beats like that sometimes rapping. I can be what I wanna be, your next has been.
I don't want to
Bobby Fischer,
pull punches anymore. I just want to flow
Martin,
and keep them coming back anymore. I don't want to
T. Cleese,
hurt feelings with the song. I just want to grow.
that's the submissions.
Give him one hit and then I'm gone.
Hey man, I don't even know how you say that dude's name. It's like Amon or Amon or Eamon. I don't even know, dude. Either way, I know I don't want him back. Hey yo, anyways, here's just another example of a shameless MC criticizing successful people just to gain your attention. My apologies for that, y'all. Yo, peace and one love. This is KJ53. Up next.
Cut the chatter, practice your right to remain silent as Christmas Eve on the night Santa came. Cause you guilty, lifestyle as dirty as they get. Holding tight to the mic, but your rhymes is counterfeit. And this is it, Judgment Day, with a jury hard as gravel. You'll get no remorse for the swinging of my gavel. Cause I hear you on a fat track, representing Christ. But seen you dancing with a Ninja Turtle, plus on Cool as Ice. You ain't an MC, you first came on the scene trying to dance. Then you got your album cover, and stood your B-boy stance. Got a pack of Kool-Aid, and then proceeded to pour. But I heard you yesterday, trying to come hardcore. Rocking mics with Christ and all them wild 7 kids. But it takes longer than a record to forget the dirt you did. Say goodbye to yourself, because the grave will be your bed. Inmates, say farewell, the man walking is dead. Dead man walking, get out the chalking. Trace a silhouette and be soon to forget. The life of an MC in facility correction. Isolate his person alone, lethal injection. Dead man walking, get out the chalking. Trace a silhouette and be soon to forget. The life of an MC who attempts mic rocking. Isolate his person, he's a dead man walking. I can feel it, velocity and where your heart should be. The punishment for using a producer of some R&B, and then a skull on your record. Come on, where you headed? Judging days of your past, you was gassed like unleaded. Cause Christians is about loving Christ and staying true. Dissing somebody for selling out when they reach more than you. What the deal? Checking your pockets, yo, where's the cheddar? It don't necessarily go to the man that rhymes better. Don't nobody care about the love you got for hip-hop. It's all about being popular, abbreviated pop. Cause your music ain't heard without appealing to the masses. Why you think you all alone in rhymology classes? It passes from another trend to a fad. Ain't nobody trying to forget all the whack junk you had. Don't be mad, you got what's coming to you in the finish. So load up the syringe for activity diminish. Dead man walking, get out the chalking. Trace a silhouette and be soon to forget. The life of an MC in facility correction. Isolate his person alone, lethal injection. Dead man walking, get out the chalking. Trace a silhouette and be soon to forget. The life of an MC who attempts mic rocking. Isolate his person, he's a dead man walking.
4 walls in case my spiritual due to my wild style and the lost info buried deep within my Christ.